Hello, I'm Jenny Wright and I'm teaching drawn animation for beginners. I actually did the Masters here in animation in character animation, and I bring in some of those themes into the course, but it's more of a focus on hand-drawn rather than character. And now I freelance as an animator, and I also work at the Barbican Centre in the bar and in the gallery. A range of people do this course. They tend to have some sort of background in drawing, but it's not essential. I try to introduce them to independent filmmaking more broadly and the different structures to that, rather than just technical animation. So it's actually a step away from technical animation and a time to experiment and play and get a feel for movement and animating. We went outside to draw by the canal and get some observational studies at the beginning of the week. And I can see that they've taken a lot from life, which is, I think, a good place to start, rather than just sitting in the classroom and trying to, imagine. And yeah, on day one, they were all making things move, and we did a little group project. Being playful and trying to free up from expectations of how you're supposed to do something can allow you to discover new things and end up drawing in a more interesting way or in a way that feels right to you.